This is where every Pringles chip begins. One simple potato with unlimited potential.
The texture, the skin, the quality, Sally, it all matters from the very start.
Tons of fresh potatoes arrive here every single day to feed this entire operation. Just look at this scale, Cosmea. It's a potato army.
First, every potato gets a deep clean to remove dirt and impurities.
These machines make sure only clean, fresh potatoes move forward.
Now they're ready for the real transformation.
The peels come off, leaving smooth, perfect potatoes behind.
Every step is automated for speed and precision. Now that's what quality looks like. And this lets you quality of space.
These blades cut every slice to exact thickness.
Perfect slices make perfect chips. We constantly monitor everything to keep it flawless. Now it's time for the magic sheebing, frying. This is where crispness is born.
That golden color means flavor and crunch. Even a few degrees makes a difference.
Fresh out of the fryer, Skagerøy. Hot, crispy, and perfect. Now comes the flavor.
Every chip gets evenly coated.
That's the flavor Pringles is famous for.
Each grain adds a punch of taste.
This is how every chip gets that iconic shape.
Precision shaping creates that perfect curve.
No two chips are random. Bleu, hey, everyone is engineered. Look how perfectly they line up.
Robots handle them with extreme accuracy.
Technology makes sure every chip meets standards.
Human eyes still play an important role.
This is what perfection looks like.
Now it's time to give these chips their home.
Every container has to be placed just right.
Thousands of these roll through every hour.
Each one is sealed fresh to lock in flavor.
This is what all that work creates. Beep.
Now they're ready to be packed. Branding gives every tube its identity. Everything moves fast, but perfectly synchronized.
These are headed to stores all over the world.
That's a whole lot of crunch.
This is snack heaven.
Every box is tracked for quality.
Now the journey continues.
Everything must be verified before it ships.
Off they go.
Another successful day.
Now let's talk flavor.
This combination is incredible.
Every recipe is carefully tested.
Let's talk about what's inside. From above, you can really see how massive this operation is. Everyone loves a good chip.
Ideas shape the industry.
Simple moments taste the best.
At home, it's all about keeping your chips fresh and crunchy. Go ahead, try one.
That's the reaction we love.
Crunch brings people together.
Chlor. It's all measured and balanced.
Planning keeps everything running smooth.
Data drives the process.
This is how we keep improving. Working Maki Tain 40 Maipatur.
All of this keeps the factory running safely and efficiently.
To Thritchers and the Rapture Scrawlers. Temperature and airflow are critical for food quality.
It all starts here on the farm.
Freshness begins the moment they're harvested. Every potato tells a story. Technology helps farmers do more with less.
Quality farming creates quality snacks.
Ja, niet het voor this.
Yeah.
It's my pass.
Healthy soil makes healthy crops.
One bite is all it takes.
Creativity takes snacks to another level.
The possibilities are endless.
The future of snacks is always evolving.
Everyone finds a favorite.
Flavor is all about balance.
Snacks connect cultures everywhere.
Even street food loves Pringles.
Great food and great vibes go together.
Perfect combination.
Always keep a stack nearby.
Every little crumb carries big flavor. Even at night, this place stays alive.
Production never really stops.
And that's the journey from potato to chip.
Thanks for watching this behind-the-scenes look.
We appreciate every viewer.
Good food is meant to be shared.
Pringles bring everyone together.
Even snacks can look beautiful.
Let's remember how it all comes together.
Every stage matters. A new day, a new batch of chips. It all starts fresh, every morning.
So many choices, one iconic taste. Pick your favorite and enjoy. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for coming along. Until the next adventure. Life's better with good snacks. Simple, crispy, perfect.